another video, long overdue. So we're gonna jump right into it. Valentine's Day is coming up, so in the comments let me know what y'all doing for Valentine's Day. Me, I'm not doing anything. I don't know what I'm doing. That's neither here nor there, but I figure I'll do like this quick, simple makeup look that I would wear on Valentine's Day night. Not too much. It's not gonna be too much. It's not gonna be, you know, like a heavy glam, if that makes sense. I'm going for like a dewy matte look, so we'll see if I'm even able to accomplish that tonight or whatever. So y'all bear with me. It's super late and I just decided let me do this video and get it out the way and have it out before Valentine's Day come, or on Valentine's Day. So I hope all y'all have been good and blessed and everything. So let's jump right in. Y'all, I already did my eyebrows off camera and I use just regular what is that brand? I use the the Kiss eyebrow pencil in dark brown, and the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. So I'm gonna put some of this on my pen and we're gonna get started with the video. So yeah guys, I have now I'm gonna go in with, so yeah, it's gonna be a really bright color. So now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and just, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it happen. This looks like a violet purple color, but this is what I'm going for right here. I am just going to put that. Ooh, girl, what in the freak? Oh my gosh, like y'all, ooh, I don't know what look. Oh, Jesus, what is this? So yeah, I'm gonna get something to calm this pink down. So now what I am going to take, I am going to go in with, I'm going with, yeah, this color right here. Let's see what I get. So yeah, we're done. Well, now we're just going to go in. Gonna go in with Flesh Tone by Coastal Scents. That's how that's looking there. It's a little messy, but that's alright. 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 And I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics brush in the number 6. Yeah. Alright. So take some of this right here. And you guys, I'm going to use this little mirror that I have here because I don't want to mess this up. So let me just as long as your eyes look like twins, you in there, baby. And I'm going to, of course, blend all this out. Blend all this out. Blend all this out. We're gonna blend, blend, blend. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, it's kind of coming together, y'all. This is such a ghetto Valentine's Day makeup. It's, I don't even know what to call it, tutorial. Valentine's Day makeup look, you know. You guys, I am going to, of course, clean this up. But I'm just gonna get it on that first, yeah. Guys, my eyes definitely do not like twins, but they is definitely sisters, okay? So, I'm gonna go back in, and I'm going to take this Simplyteewigs brush. Like a dark purple. So I'm gonna go back in, just clean up that line. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I can't even see the difference. I don't even know what I just did. Whatever. Whatever. Y'all, and I should have gave a disclaimer at the beginning of the video. I am no makeup artist. I don't do anyone's makeup but my own. And that's usually on Sundays. On Sundays. Oh, I'm so sorry. Lashes on. So the look is okay for now, y'all. It has to grow on me. It's a lot of eyeshadow. But this is a look you could go for. So I will be using a BB programming, whatever you say. So I use this, and then I'll put my foundation on top. This is again the MAC 24-hour concealer in NC50. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this. And this is gonna be for my dark spots, like right there. Right there. And let me just check and see if I have any on my forehead. Right there. So stuff like that. Make it pretty even. Yeah, because again, guys, I'm gonna put that BB cream on top. So I'm not, and again, I'm not going for a heavy look. So I'm gonna take my foundation brush, BH Cosmetics as well, the number 2, and get the NYX spray. Setting, oh, I'm sorry, LA Girl Pro Spray. And so I am just gonna take this BB cream and just put it all over my face like that, like so. Ooh, I think that's too much. but let's get going. I'm going to take my LA Pro Growth Concealer and the color Fawn, and I am just going to highlight a little under my eyes, not much. Y'all, I actually am liking this makeup look, like for real. When I put that eyeshadow on, I was like, ooh. And it's just because I am not used to bright colors at all. But I like this, I really do. I like how it's turning out. For a little brightness. Okay, so that's it for highlights. So now I am going to set my face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. And then I'm gonna get my CoverGirl bronzer and bronze and do like a little contour, slight contour, and then we're gonna do the lips, and then we're gonna be done with, and of course highlighter. What is it? My glowy. Don't you call this highlighter? My bronzer, then my bronzer, and we're gonna be all done. So give me a second. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. This is what I came up with. This is just the wig I put on and wand curled, and put 2 braids in the front or whatever. So you guys can see. Give you guys a close up of everything. I'm on my frontal, y'all. So yes, y'all, this is the look. My lips I really don't like. I feel like they're a little bit too bright. So I would say, like, as an alternative, guys, if you don't want to use this bright of a lipstick, and this is me like trying to play with it. I did a brown, like I said in the video, you'll see I did a brown lip, like a brown lip pencil, and lipstick I don't recommend. And then I tried to mix it with even darker pink to kind of like tone it out, but I feel like the lips are a little too bright, but it goes. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, subscribe. Your girl would appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? But yes, let me know what you want to see from me. I'm back, so you guys will see me being more consistent, no excuses, you know. So thank y'all for tuning in and being patient with me. This is the final looks, and I will see you guys later in the next video.